Welcome back to JP Squared. Show what's there.
We will have a fun update shortly. Maybe in the morning. Drywall is going up, but right now we're
Also, today was my last day of school for spring break.
so I may have some videos for us next week. But yeah, this is too much like farm work. Goodness gracious. Spreading hay. I put grass seed down a couple of days ago and fertilizer. I know people may comment or say, why are you putting straw down? That's what I was asked to do. Putting straw down. You see the green kind of color, fertilizer and grass seed. So yeah, stay tuned for a drywall update on the barn.